Ang hagdanan. Ito yung papunta ng taas. Ito ang daanan. May bantay dito, guys. Na head. Watch your head, sabi niya pala. Watch your head. Watch your head. They can watch your head. Kahapon punta kayo dito? Nila Tita Mela. Ay. Wala na. Ayan si dog. Ayan, lovely dog. Mahilig sa dogs. Dog skinny. Lovely. This one. Oh, this is...
Free?
No, what's this one, babes?
This is free. Have a dinner.
Have a dinner.
Here's a picture.
Oh. This is for the last supper. Lovely dog. No, Have a swim?
Century banquet.
Dito. Dito daw, dito. Yan, guys. Oh, dito. Alam niyo, yung pag Tagalog yung yes,